In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open second shop in Etsy. If you already have one Etsy store and you're ready to branch out, you absolutely can. Etsy allows multiple shops, but there are a few important rules to follow so everything stays compliant and easy to manage. First, each shop must have its own unique email address. This is essential because it keeps your accounts separate and helps prevent mix-ups with orders, messages, and billing. Also, all shops must follow Etsy's policies, including avoiding duplicate listings and steering clear of any cross promotion that could confuse buyers. Take a moment to review Etsy's guidelines so you're setting yourself up the right way from the start. Before you begin, create a new email address that you'll use exclusively for your second shop. This will be the login for your new account, and it's also where your shop notifications will go. Keeping communications separated by email makes it much easier to track customer conversations, receipts, and alerts without digging through messages from your first shop. Once your new email is ready, sign out of your current Etsy account. Head to Etsy.com, click Sign In, and choose the option to register a new account. Use your freshly created email and complete the registration steps. This creates a separate Etsy account, which is the foundation you need to open a second shop. Keep your login details clearly labeled so you always know which credentials belong to which store. Now it's time to open the new shop. Click Sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to set everything up. You'll add key details like your shop name, the type of products you'll sell, and your payment and billing information. Think carefully about the branding here. Choose a name and visuals that reflect the niche of this shop, not your first one. Treat it as a distinct brand with its own identity. Make sure each shop has a clear, separate purpose. For example, you might keep handmade jewelry in one shop and digital prints in the other. Use different banners, icons, and descriptions to help customers instantly recognize which shop they're in. Transparency is also important. Disclose that you operate multiple shops in your About section or shop policies, and list their names so buyers understand the relationship between them and it aligns with Etsy's guidelines. Finally, manage both shops with intention. Consider using separate browsers or profiles to avoid accidental logins. Keep inventories, messages, and bookkeeping distinct to prevent errors and maintain a consistent workflow for each shop. With clear organization and thoughtful branding, you can confidently run more than one Etsy shop and grow your creative business. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Etsy tips and tutorials.